Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this gold coin and shamrock feeling lucky sign, perfect for St. Patrick's Day. For the materials, you'll need a picture frame, a paper cutter or scissors, paper, gold coins, a shamrock, glue dots, and a printer. First, print out your feeling lucky design. Cut it out. Then lay out the pattern you'd like for the gold coins. Place your shamrock where you'd like it. Then glue everything on. After that, put the paper in the frame. Close it up. And that's it! This is such an easy and cute last-minute decoration for St. Patrick's Day, and looks so clean and nice. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.